at a very high chance for severe thunderstorms here in and around home. The timing still looks to be 5 p.m. to midnight. And say it's not at your house at 5 o'clock. Do not think you're in the clear. It just means it hasn't arrived yet. Damaging winds, large hail, potential for large tornadoes, and flash flooding are all possible after we hit that peak heat at 85 degrees. Humidity is high, breezy winds are in place, but this is going to be marching in from west to east with those extremes expected to be heightened farther southwest. So from 6 to 8 o'clock is when we're looking at a more active time frame in Indiana. I would be home by 5, 6 o'clock to make sure that you are not stuck in traffic or trying to make your way out of an event in this type of environment. I mean, it is looking dangerous. We're talking dangerous, significant, those key notes that I want you to remember when this activity starts sparking up, that you take them seriously. For the city, 7 to 9 looks to be the most active time frame, and then shifting east, it's a little bit later, but a lot of us look to be done by about 11, 12 o'clock tonight. So this does not linger into the weekend. This is an important graphic. This is going to show you where we're seeing the biggest concerns. This is not bright and beautiful to just grab your attention. This is really showing the seriousness of this event. Farther southwest in red, that is our chance for potential large tornadoes. That's an EF2 or bigger. There's a 15% chance of that. That is pretty scary. You've got the yellow with a 10% chance, which is also still very concerning. The highest risk would be damaging winds with that bright purple, indicating a 45% chance for damaging winds. We're pushing 70 to 75 miles per hour possible. Large hail is also a concern. While that doesn't look to be as big of a widespread chance, if you get 2-inch hail, that's hen egg size on top of your house and your car, there's some real damage there. So this morning's activity this afternoon early is pushing out. There's that destabilization with the sunshine. By 7 to 8 o'clock, those severe storms are firing up west. Look farther south. We are definitely seeing the potential for what could be some earlier activity that could be tornadic. I think more so spins within this line. Already the heavy out and away from the city by about 9 o'clock. This is sped up a little bit, and I agree with it. Shifting to the east, we've got some leftover activity. But if you have plans tonight to be at the Reds or TQL for Zach Brown Band, I want you to make sure you're heeding the warnings. Get to that safe spot. It's going to be very, very important.